starting off with question number 7. Here we have 300 identical articles at a total cost of $1,500. Now, if the total cost is $1,500, then and he's buying 300 articles, then we can easily say that if $1,500 can buy 300 articles, then one article can be bought at X dollars. Easy. That makes it, when you cross multiply, you get $5 for every article. Okay, this is point number 1. $5 per article. Now the next step that we need to do is reading the next sentence. He sells 260 articles at a price that is 30% above the cost price. So he sells them at 20% above the cost price. Now the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to see the total selling price of his 260 articles. Now his selling price per article in the 260 articles is going to be 20% above the cost price. Now the cost price per article was 5, right? He paid $5 per article, so $5 is 100% his cost price, and his selling price is 20% above the cost price. So if the cost price was 100%, then 20% above the cost price is going to be 100 plus 20, which is 120%. Okay? Now when I cross multiply these two, I get the selling price as $6 per article. So now I know that he sold his 260 articles at $6 per article. So the total selling price for his 260 articles happens to be 6 into 260 equals to $1,560. 1,560. Now he sold 260 articles for this much. How many does he have left? It's 300 minus 260 is 40 articles that he still needs to sell. So for those 40 articles, what we're going to do is first we need to find out the selling price for one of those 40 articles. So each of the remaining articles, obviously 40 articles, is sold at a price that is 50% of the selling price of each of the 260 articles. Now what is the selling price of the 260 articles? Each of them, it's $6. We've already worked that out. So each of the 260 articles was sold at $6. And the remaining 40, each of them is sold at 50% of 6. 50% is obviously half, and a half of 6 is $3. Right? So he sold every article, one article of the remaining 40 at $3. 50% of 6. And he has to sell 40. So one article is at $3, so 40 articles will be at X dollars, right? Now when I cross multiply, I get $120 selling price for his remaining 40 articles. Now I have all of this data ready. All I need to do is to put it together. And how am I going to do that? I need to find out the profit as a percentage of his cost price. Now his total selling price is $1,560. $1,560 plus 120, which is equals to $1,680. This means that his profit is naturally the selling price minus the cost price, which is $1,680 minus $1,500. That makes it $180. Okay. Now if you remember the formula for profit as a percentage of the cost price, or the percentage profit, it's the amount of profit upon the cost price multiplied by 100, which is 180 upon the cost price of dollars 1500 multiply by 100, and that makes it a percentage profit of 12%. I hope you understand all of these questions. Do tell me if you don't. Thank you.